Hi everyone, my name is Angela from the Baldwin Library, and today I'm excited to introduce you to one of my new personal favorite databases, Creativebug. Creativebug is a free resource for your crafting and inspiration needs. So in this video, we're going to go over how to access Creativebug, how to use the site, and we're going to learn about some of its features. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a web browser and type in the library's website, which is baldwinboroughlibrary.org. And I've added a link to our website in the description box below. From there, you're going to hover over the Technology drop-down menu and click on eLibrary Databases. This opens up the Allegheny County eLibrary website, which gives you access to free entertainment sites and other databases. So we're looking for Creativebug. I'm going to scroll down until I see its logo. And then I'm going to click on Go. This is Creativebug's welcome page, which if you scroll down, you can learn a little bit more about this resource. We're going to log in or create an account on this page. So you can enter in your library card number here and click on Log In. If you've never used Creativebug before, it's going to ask you to create an account, and it's going to prompt you for your first name, last name, email address, and to create a password. Go ahead and fill in those fields and click on Submit. I've used this site before, so I'm going to go ahead and enter in my library card number and then click on Login. We are into the Creativebug website now. So there's quite a few things that you can do in Creativebug. We're going to look towards the top of the web page and go over this top menu bar here. You see that you can view classes. There's an Inspiration tab. CBTV stands for Creativebug Television, and here is Daily Practice. If you don't know what kind of project you want to start, this Inspiration is a great place to start. So I'm going to hover over Inspiration and click on Inspiration Feeds. Here's where you can view pictures that have been uploaded by Creativebug members, and you can even share pictures of your own finished work. So I'm going to scroll down to keep getting inspired. And with each one of these images, you can like it, you can comment on it, you can share it to social media, or you can enlarge it. Once I've got my inspiration, I'm going to go to the top menu bar, and I want to view a class now. So with classes, you can either click on Classes, and this is going to show you all of the classes that Creativebug has to offer. And this is kind of nice because, again, if you don't know what kind of project that you want to start, you can look through it and maybe you found something that you normally wouldn't have searched for. Or you can hover over classes and then choose from a category listed here: art and design, sewing, quilting, paper, etc. You can also hover over one of these different categories and narrow your results even further. So if I know that I'm looking for a sewing class, but I only want hand stitching, I can hover over sewing and click on hand stitching here. Below this top menu bar here is a search field, and you can keyword search, you can search by classes, you can search for images, you can search for instructors, or you can click on blog here. Right down here is filter results. So you can filter your results right here. You can clear this filter. And you can also sort your results. So you can sort them by release date, most popular, or alphabetically. So now that we've talked about the top menu bar, let's go ahead and view a class. So I have found a class that maybe I want to start here. So once I've found a class, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. But before I do that, I just want to point out a couple of things. So up here in the top left-hand corner of the image tells you how long the duration of the class is. And it's not always one long video, like some of them will say 4 hours and 30 minutes. Sometimes they break them down into chapters so that you can watch chunks at a time. Down here is the title of the class, and underneath it is the instructor. And you can actually click on that and learn more about the instructor here. So let's go ahead and go back. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my class and just simply click on the image here. It gives you a rating of the class. So this one got a 4.8 out of 5 stars, and 38 people have reviewed it. This is the play button. This will start your video. But down here are some important links. This is the description link, and if you click on it, it will tell you what level, what skill level it is, how long the class is. It'll give you a brief description of the class. It tells you who it's taught by and what you're going to learn how to do. If I come up here next to description, it's chapters. So this is where it breaks down the class. You'll see that the overview is 54 seconds, and you can click on it and watch overview. Then here's the next chapter, and so on. So these are all your chapters here. If you click on the materials link, it's going to show you everything that you need for this class here. Gallery will show you pictures that have been uploaded by different Creativebug members. This is a discussion. Here's a class discussion. You can take notes about the class if you click on the notes link. You can add it to your watch list. You can view it, or you can view a transcript. So this will tell you word for word what the speaker has said. So the last thing that we're going to go over is the link to your account. And this is located in the top right corner, top upper right hand corner. So if you click on this, you're going to see a variety of useful tools such as recently watched, your watch list where you can find the videos that you've saved for later, and more. Finally, you can simply log out. So I hope you enjoyed learning about Creativebug and all the different things that you can do with it. If you still have questions about Creativebug, please join me for a live Q&A session May 14th at 6:30 p.m. over Zoom. I've included a link to the registration for the Q&A in the description box below. Thanks for watching.